everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. It is a meal prep video and I'm actually cooking with you guys again, another meal prep. And I know I haven't done a meal prep video for quite a while because I was doing some cooking videos here and there, but a meal prep video has been the #1 most requested video, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to do one. So I'm super excited to do this with you guys today. Plus I am hungry, and you guys know I love having meals prepared and very healthy and clean ones. So we're gonna do this together. If you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do lifestyle, fitness, fashion, and beauty videos here on YouTube. So I hope you guys like my videos. Make sure to click on the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up and comment below. So today's video, I'm actually gonna move to the kitchen, but I just wanted to show you guys this huge box. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna put it on top of the kitchen counter because it is so big. So Purple Carrot is a food delivery service, but it is not pre-made meals like a meal prep service where everything's already made and it's like frozen and you have to microwave it or whatever. It is a service where they send you recipes, they send you all the fresh ingredients, and it's plant-based. So this is what I got all in here. This is for the rustic grain bowls. I'm gonna open everything in the kitchen so it like looks cute, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick that it comes in this huge box and all the fresh ingredients come literally like a grocery store being sent to you. And there's different serving sizes. If you have a big family or something like that, or you cook for a lot of people, you can get a bigger one. So this is it, and we're gonna get started. So let's move to the kitchen. So today we're gonna be making this, which is a Thai tofu curry. And this is the recipe for the 2 servings, and this is the recipe for the 6 servings. So depending on what you order from Purple Carrot, if you order the 2 servings or the 6 servings, you can determine how you want to cook it. I'm gonna actually do 6 servings because that is the one that I have. I have enough ingredients for it, and I can eat it multiple times during this week. So it is a full meal prep video, and I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients. I have them right behind this recipe. So here we have the scallions, and then I have the snap peas. I actually have a lot more, but for the display, I just wanted to show you guys this much. And then over here, I have rice noodles, and then I have baked tofu. I'm super excited to cook with this because I usually buy silky tofu, and at restaurants I've totally had baked tofu, but I've never cooked it at home. So I'm super excited to try this. I have a few more packs, so I just wanted to show you guys like this. And over here I have peanuts, I have pure coconut milk, and then right here I have red curry paste. Looks like that. And then some limes, garlic, and blue agave nectar by Nectave. These are so cute. They're like little individual sizes. I actually have a big bottle, but for the measurement purposes, let's use these. And we are going to make our first Purple Carrot meal. I am so excited. I love meal prepping, I love cooking, and I just love how all the ingredients are all like set up for you. So let's cook this together. It's going to take 40 minutes, and all of the products that you need and how much is also listed to cook it. All the instructions are on the next page. So we're gonna follow all the directions and we're gonna cook. First, you're gonna bring a large pot, fill it up with water, salted water. So you wanna add some salt. I just added pink Himalayan salt. That's why it has like little chunks in there, but you can use whatever salt you want. And, oh, you could see me. And we're going to put the heat on and bring the water to a boil. So I do have the instructions right over here, right next to me. Oh my gosh, I look crazy with the knife. I just tied my hair really quick, and I'm gonna cut the scallions into 2-inch pieces and then the tofu into 1-inch cubes. There we go. And then I'm gonna take the tofu. Maybe I should cut it this way once. And then I'm gonna cut it this way. So they're like this size. Have no room.
This world can be so cruel. We have our hands tied. They treat us like we're fools. We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin.
Checking on the water, it is almost boiling. So once it's boiled, I'm gonna add the rice noodles. But I'm gonna head over to this skillet over here. So now I'm gonna bring this to medium heat, medium to high, and then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of, it says vegetable oil, but I'm going to use olive oil, and you just add 1 tablespoon. I'm just gonna eye it out, and I feel like it's like that much. And then we're gonna add the tofu. Once it's hot, we're gonna add tofu. So let it heat up for like 4 to 5 minutes, kind of just spread it out. And then I'm gonna add the tofu. So I feel like it's hot now, and I'm gonna add the tofu. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna lower the heat. It is sizzling. Whenever it's like super sizzling, I get like kind of scared. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper and then leave it cooking so it turns a little bit crispy. So since the water is boiling, I'm gonna actually add the rice noodles. It's a lot of them. So I'm gonna just slowly drop it in there. Oh my gosh, that was intense. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna actually let the rice noodles like really go in there. And then I'm gonna actually turn off the heat. Still letting the tofu cook a little bit. So the heat is off for the noodles, and they're like all in the water. So you kind of like stir it occasionally with some chopsticks if you have. Look, it looks so yummy already. And you leave that in and let it cook for about 10 minutes. So pretty much the tofu is ready, and we're just going to put it on a plate. Like that. It looks so good. I just ate one. So now we're gonna add another tablespoon of oil to the same skillet. And we're going to add the scallions. It's already like hot because I cooked the tofu in here. So it's okay to just like put it in. And cook that until a little bit brown. And then we're gonna add the curry, like the curry paste and the curry liquid. So now I'm gonna add the red curry paste. In the mix. Add the agave. Ooh, it's like super gooey. I lowered the heat quite a bit, and then I'm gonna add the coconut milk. I didn't know it was gonna be like this thick. I thought coconut milk was like milky, you know? It literally looks like this. It smells like curry, but it looks like white, like milk. So yeah, leave it to a low heat so it will simmer and we'll make the curry paste. And now I'm actually going to take this out and put some cool water on it and let it strain. Now it looks like this, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cool water in it so it just kind of chills. So now that it's at a light boil, like a simmer, I can add the rice noodles. I thought it would look a lot more orange because the picture on the booklet is a lot more orange, but it's actually pretty orange in real life. It's just my skillet is pink, so maybe that's why. But we're gonna add the rice noodles. So I didn't put all the rice noodles, but I kind of put a lot. I'm gonna let it cook still, and I'm gonna add the tofu and the snap peas in this mixture. So I'm gonna add some of the snap peas. And then I'm gonna add some of the tofu. I feel like it's gonna overflow. I should have got a bigger skillet. It looks like a lot right now, but I'm just gonna let it cook and simmer, and hopefully it'll work out. I didn't put everything in, but I might be able to just add it later, you know, when I like recook it. That's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit so it all goes together. It looks like it's ready. It looks so yummy. So I'm gonna pour myself a serving and then put the rest in glass Tupperwares that I have. In my other meal prep videos, you guys have seen them. And I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Like, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, but I'm gonna make myself a serving for tonight. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks so yummy. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the peanuts, and you could add as much as you want. for the extra crunch. And then I cut my lime into 4 pieces, and I'm going to take that and put some lime juice on. And if you want to add more lime, you totally can, because some people love it limey and citrusy. So I'm gonna actually taste test this. I totally have enough for a whole week of vegan Thai curry tofu. It looks so good, love it. I'm literally so hungry and I can't wait. So I'm gonna eat right here. Looks so good. I like to use chopsticks to eat like noodles and tofu and stuff like that. But if you don't have chopsticks, you can use a fork. I'm gonna try the snap pea. So tasty. The lime really adds a lot. And the tofu. The tofu I love so much. So I don't want to bore you guys while I eat and like crunch, because this is not a mukbang video. But if you guys like videos like this where I cook and make stuff with you guys and make healthy, yummy things, let me know. And I also have the other ingredients in the purple carrot box. So if you want to watch me cook that, let me know in the comments below, so I will cook it on camera with you guys and have a video out ASAP. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to order purple carrot, everything is linked below. It's very inexpensive. You can get 2 serving meals for $11.99 each and 6 serving meals for $7.99 each serving. So it's actually way more inexpensive to order from Purple Carrot and cook at home than to go out and eat a meal, because the meals out there are really expensive. So if you guys like cooking videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys want to check out Purple Carrot, check the description box. And thank you guys again so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna eat right now, so I gotta go. But stay healthy and stay strong and stay fit and stay sexy. Bye guys. Mwah.
Just here.